When you're running your business, you don't need more adventure, more confusion, more risks. What you need is certainty, trust, predictability. Which is why we're introducing a very refreshingly boring update for our reports. We've heard from hundreds of merchants like you who want to get more from your reports at Omnisend. You want to see more data, more clearly and flexibly. You want to understand your sales better and get the full view of your performance for any channel. Well, we've heard you and we are delivering. In order to update our reporting to better meet your needs, we've completely revamped our architecture from the ground up, adding in leaps and bounds of a number of things you can do, see, and analyze. But spoiler alert, this applies not just to reporting. We are going to be enrolling changes that will make Omnisend even more powerful, intuitive, and effective to help your business grow. Now, I would like to invite Žygimantas to tell you more about Omnisend's better reporting.
Thanks, Rytis. With our refreshingly boring reporting update, you'll be able to understand your sales better, so you can get better sales. We're introducing new metrics and revenue breakdowns in a single view for any time frame. You'll also be able to compare how much sales each channel, email, SMS, push brings to your store. Dig deeper into the performance so that you can fine-tune what's working. Our new reports let you start with the big picture view, then zoom in on individual campaigns or see how your automations are performing over time. Check your engagement, deliverability, and new metrics like place order rate or revenue per message, all across any channel and any timeline you choose. We designed our report interface to be much more intuitive and consistent. You'll now have the same uniform metrics across all reports, meaning you don't have to go on any adventures to find exactly what you're looking for. So smooth, so powerful, so refreshingly boring. Now back to you, Rytis.
Thanks, Žygimantas, and thanks to everyone watching. At Omnisend, we work hard to make email and SMS marketing a smooth and effective experience for you. When our product is boring in the best, the most reliable way, that means you can save your energy for all the other exciting parts of your business.